Once upon a time, there was a little puppy named Rocket. Rocket was the smallest and the cutest puppy in the whole neighborhood. He had soft, fluffy fur and big round eyes that sparkled with mischief. Rocket lived with a loving family who adored him. They would play with him, feed him delicious treats, and take him on walks in the park. Rocket was always full of energy and would wag his tail with excitement whenever he saw his family. One sunny day, while exploring the park, Rocket noticed a little boy, Dhruv, sitting on the bench looking sad. Rocket's heart melted with empathy and he knew he had to do something to make Dhruv smile. He ran up to Dhruv and started licking his face, wagging his tail furiously. The little boy couldn't help but burst into laughter. And hugged Rocket tightly. From that day on, Rocket and Dhruv became the best of friends. Rocket brought so much of joy and happiness to the little boy's life, and he was forever grateful for their friendship. Moral: little acts of kindness can make a big difference. Thank you.